2016 E350. Fuel pumps are leaking. And if you don't know where the fuel pumps are, they're under the back seat. It's a couple of clips, it comes right up, they're under there. The sound denting material, there's 4 screws that hold this on. This is the fuel pump side, which is not leaking, but we're changing it because this is the fuel filter side, and if you look down there, it's nice and wet. The customer complaining about a fuel smell, so let's get to it. First step, you see all this dirt down here? Well, all that can get into the fuel tank, so we're going to scrape all this up and vacuum it up on both sides. There's a vacuum here, the air-powered vacuum. Now that it's nice and clean, unplug your connectors. Unplug your connectors on the driver's side and your fuel line. That'll probably happen, and that's fine. So now we're going to take our fluid extractor and we're going to suck out all the gas. So there's 2 ways of doing this. The wrong way, you take a pry bar and you put it in here in this little lip and hit it with a hammer to loosen this lock ring. Or the right way is you get the right freaking tool, put it in there, and use a long ratchet and loosen it. That's the right way. Don't do it the other way. I already loosened it, but just give it a little turn like that, the lock ring comes off. Do the same for the other side. Once you get your lock ring off, this one lifts up. You got 2 plugs there, and you disconnect this hose and that hose off of the fuel pump. But don't let them go. Hold on to them. I'm going to show you a trick. Here's the trick. You take an old wire or string, loop it around there, tighten it, tie it off. So when you pull it through, you can snake the hoses back this way because you can see the tank's full. So now when you pull the filter out, you can see that the wire comes with it. And look, now I have a path to go. Oops, let's let it drip in there. So clean up your gasket surface, replace the gasket, connect the wire to your new fuel filter, and then you can kind of thread it through a little bit, but it doesn't go all the way. So I go over there and pull the wire out a little bit and slowly install this side. So if you slowly pull your wire through just a little bit, you'll see that start to move, and eventually it'll pull up right here. Don't have to stick your arms in there and get all gassy. Once your filter is in, make sure this ear goes forward, faces forward. Spray some lube right here and on your lock ring and lock it down. So that side's now complete. We're going to take our hose and reconnect it onto the pump and our flow tube inside of here. Once you get everything attached, take these 2 pins and slide them into those little holes and watch for the wires. Lift up your wires, make sure your gasket's nice and flat, and there you go. Put your lock ring on, spray some W212 or some lube, and lock it down. Ta-da! Now you can plug it back in. Now that they're both done, put the covers on. Before you do, I like to use this active spray to kind of get rid of the fuel smell. I know you don't spray your electrical wire, and it's okay. This will not hurt anything. Then put your covers on, put your sound denting and your seat back in, and you're almost done. Now before you get everything together, fill it up with gas, go to the gas station, fill it completely up with gas, and make sure nothing's leaking, and then put it back together. And the most important part of this job is take a rag and some cleaner and clean up your dirty fingerprints. Wipe everything down, make it nice and clean. Pretend you were never there.